Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the ports on both devices because the connection quality depends on matching interfaces. Identify whether you have HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, or legacy VGA. This determines the exact cable or adapter to use. Once done, pick a cable rated for your target resolution and refresh rate. 4K requires higher bandwidth. Make sure you have any adapter on hand. You can leave devices off for safety, or sleep the laptop to plug in without risking static or accidental input. You now plug the chosen cable firmly into the laptop and monitor, ensuring latches or screws are engaged so the signal stays stable. Power on the monitor first, then the laptop. This order helps many systems detect the external display automatically. Once both are on, use the monitor's input selector if it doesn't switch itself. Then open your laptop's display settings to choose Extend versus Mirror, set resolution and scale, and position screens. This ensures icons and windows link. To finish, you fine-tune resolution, refresh rate, and scaling so text and video look correct. Make the external monitor primary if you want most apps there. If you see no signal, first reset the cable, swap ports, or try a different cable or adapter because faulty connectors are the most common cause. If that fails, make sure the monitor input matches the cable, test with another device, update graphics drivers, and then reboot. One quick tip: try a known good cable before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.